So, ayan po yung property, ano. From here, yan. Ito po ay going to Concepcion, Tarlac, in La Paz, Tarlac. And then, ito po yung property, going there hanggang dun po sa may damuhan. Na ito, sa may damuhan na to. Yung property na yan. So, 6,256 square meters of land for sale. This is a cemented road, 5 meters. Extendable po ito ng municipal government ng La Paz and Tarlac. So, ito po may offset pa po yan kung mag-road widening. And then going to SCTEX Toll Plaza in this area. Yan po yung SCTEX Toll Plaza na nasa 1 kilometer lamang po. So, accessible po ito sa mga truck, dump trucks, trailer. Yan po siya. So, this is the property. Yan po. Along cemented road.